Hardware is only half the story. Broadcom software makes networks smarter, more reliable, and easier to manage. It's the engine that unlocks hardware innovation. Our focus is clear: advanced algorithms that optimize scheduling and interference management, enterprise-grade security and manageability for operators and IT teams, and software that ties Wi-Fi 8 to edge AI compute, enabling new features and use cases as markets evolve. Together, hardware and software create Broadcom solutions that go far beyond the spec sheet, delivering true intelligence at the edge. Broadcom is defining the Wi-Fi 8 software stack, integrating advanced algorithms, enterprise-grade features, and edge AI intelligence to make networks more reliable and more powerful than ever.